Welcome to ZK Mobile, your trusted source for the latest mobile updates and honest reviews. Today, we're diving into the much anticipated Oppo Reno 13. Let's explore what makes this smartphone stand out and whether it's worth your attention in 2025. Design and display. The Oppo Reno 13 continues Oppo's sleek and premium design tradition. With a slim profile and curved edges, it feels both elegant and comfortable in hand. The device features a stunning 6.7-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, delivering smooth visuals and vibrant colors ideal for gaming, streaming, and everyday use. Performance and software. Powered by the latest MediaTek Dimensity 9200 Plus or Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, depending on the market, the Reno 13 offers flagship-level performance. Multitasking is seamless, apps load instantly, and heavy games run without lag. It comes with ColorOS 14 based on Android 14, offering a clean, customizable, and feature-rich user experience. Camera system. Photography is a major highlight of the Reno 13. It sports a triple camera setup with a 50MP main sensor, a 13MP ultra-wide, and a telephoto lens for crisp zoom shots. Low-light performance has been significantly improved, and the front 32MP camera ensures high-quality selfies with AI enhancements. Battery and charging. Oppo doesn't disappoint when it comes to battery. The Reno 13 packs a 4,800 mAh battery with support for 80W SuperVOOC fast charging. A full charge takes just around 30 minutes, keeping you powered throughout the day with minimal downtime. Final thoughts. The Oppo Reno 13 strikes an impressive balance between style, performance, and camera innovation. It's a solid choice for anyone looking for a premium smartphone experience without going overboard on price. Stay tuned for more updates and comparisons right here on ZK Mobile.